Okay, so implement a stack using internally a linked list. Firstly, I will create or I will use a single linked list since I only want to have an idea or a pointer to know where the head is. In this case, the head will be the top of the stack, right? The head of the linked list will be the top of the stack. So the push operations, of course, I will just be grabbing this new item and changing that, inserting that item into the head. The pop operation will be the same, just taking the head out of the linked list. To get the top, of course, I can just return the head of the linked list, the top of the stack. And to check if the stack is empty, I will just check if the head node is equal to null. About the time complexity, the push operation will be a constant time complexity since it's just adding to the head or to the top. The pop will be the same, just getting that item like the head of the linked list. The get top will be the same, constant one as pop and push, and the is empty will be also constant one, just to check if the head is equal to null. About the queues, this is kind of different since the linked list that I will implement will be doubly, just to have pointers both in the head of the linked list and knowing the tail of the linked list. In this case, the head will be the front of the queue and the tail will be the end or the back of the queue, right? So to enqueue an element, I will grab that new item and putting that into the tail of the queue, just inserting that to the tail. To the queue and an element, I will just take the head out. In this case, I will remove the head node in the linked list. To get the size, I will just count the elements that are the nodes, right? I will count the nodes. To check if it is empty, I will just check if the head node, if the head node is equal to null. The time complexity to enqueue is constant one, also to the queue, since I am removing or adding to the head and to the tail, and removing in the head and pushing to the tail. To get the size, this is linear since I have to count every item, and is empty is a constant one since it's just checking if the head is null. And that's all.